Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Midwest Safety. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What starts as a routine call to help a stranded woman on the side of the road quickly turns into a non-stop test of patience for the responding officer. As the situation drags on, the encounter shifts from a simple assist call into the kind of night that pushes an officer to the edge. The breakdown starts now.
I tried to go home an hour ago. My phone died. If one of you tried to call my phone, my dad will literally show that he is on his way here, that he tried to come home. My phone died. I tried to get them to put me to my car because I obviously am drunk.
What's going on?
I am drunk.
What are you yelling for help for?
Because I'm trying to wait for my dad. I'm trying to wait for my dad because I obviously am drunk.
So you just need a ride home?
Yes, and they're pushing me out of they're literally pushing me.
Watch how the officer starts sorting through the story here, because in calls like this, the first version of events doesn't always match what actually happened on scene.
Into the street.
Who is?
Literally whoever they are. No, I'm sorry, but literally, I'm sorry, but who are you? I'm sorry, I don't know you.
We were talking.
No, I'm sorry. No,
Okay,
sorry.
I'm gonna get out of here.
Let's go.
No, because if you charge my phone,
I don't care about your phone. I'm asking what are you yelling for help for?
that. I'm trying to go home.
Who are you calling for?
My father. If you want my dad's number,
No, yeah,
can
what
you
is
please
that?
call him.
What is that?
My dad's number. Okay, so 9.
What's your first name?
My name is Caitlin.
Pay attention to where this conversation is headed, because once alcohol and personal issues start coming up, the officer realizes this may not be a simple roadside assist anymore.
And I'm in AA, so I can't even do alcohol or anything.
So you shouldn't be drinking?
No,
So why are we drinking then?
I'm not.
You didn't drink?
No, I
just said
did.
you're
I did
drunk.
have one.
You just said you were drunk.
I did have one. Yes, you're right. And
come
I
on.
did tell you I had one.
Okay, come over here. Just lean up against right here. We're calling your dad, okay? All right, your dad's phone is going to voicemail.
You called the supervisor. He knows exactly who I am.
Does your dad work for the police department?
Yes.
Okay.
He knows exactly. He'll know exactly.
Okay.
Watch the officer's tone carefully here. You can tell he's starting to realize this interaction is about to become more difficult than the original call sounded over dispatch.
And what's your name?
Patrolman Kunkin, it's written right here.
And what's your badge number?
Are you kidding me?
What's your badge
it's
number?
4328.
20 what? I can't hear you.
4328.
20 what? Say it one more time,
33
just so I got it. Just so I got it. What's your badge number? If you're not going to say it, that's also a crime, if you know that. You know that. What's your badge number, huh? What's your badge number? I don't know your badge number, I'm sorry.
Pay attention to how the officer keeps trying to stay calm here, because the more this interaction drags on, the more patience starts becoming a major factor.
What's your badge number?
All right, ma'am.
What's his badge number?
Ma'am, we're trying to get you a ride.
And what's your badge number?
4328. I gave it to you 5 times.
You gave it to me 3 times, actually.
Why are you asking again?
How many years have you been patrolman on for?
Irrelevant, ma'am.
It is irrelevant, actually. What's your full badge number? I'm sorry. I
Ma'am,
didn't get
back
it.
up.
What's your full
Back
badge
up.
number? What's your badge number?
Listen to how the officer responds once Miranda rights get brought up here. You can tell his patience is starting to wear thin as the conversation keeps circling back to the same demands.
So y'all not reading me my Miranda rights so I can go to my car, right?
Do you want your Miranda rights?
Yes, I
All right.
would.
You have the right
That's
to remain
illegal
silent.
otherwise.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Thank you so
Stand over
much
here.
for actually reading them
Stand
for
over
me.
here.
Thank you for actually
Stand
reading.
over here.
Thank you for actually reading my
Stand
Miranda
over
rights
here.
to
You're
me,
not
which
free to walk around. Stand over here.
Then you should have read them to me about 30 minutes ago, right?
Pay attention to how difficult she's making this interaction for the officer here, because once a conversation stops moving forward, frustration on both sides usually starts building fast.
Okay. Holy crap.
Right?
Stand
right?
over
Right?
here.
Because I do know my laws. If y'all want to talk to my dad, that's fine. We can. Yeah, we
we're
can.
trying
Because
to get in
unfortunately, I
contact with
live
him.
40 minutes away.
I am aware.
So, oh, boo, motherfucking who?
Can you please stand over here?
I am standing over here
No,
in the
I want you by the car.
I am.
I want you by the car. Come over here.
I am in the direct. If
Just
you
lean your-
actually
no.
went to your... No, I am in the direct. Like, if you wanna
I'm not
do
asking you to be
anything-
in light. I'm
So
asking
it
you to
doesn't
stand over
matter.
here.
I am in direct. And if you want to tell them, then they can go in back in their house.
Pay attention to how the questioning starts becoming more confrontational here, because once officers feel like the conversation is turning into an argument instead of cooperation, the entire interaction can shift fast.
Stop walking around.
Because otherwise I could go
Stop
to my car.
walking around.
Am I detained?
Yes.
Am I arrested?
You're detained for your
then
safety.
You can, no, because then I can go to my car if you're not going to let me.
No, you're detained for your
yes,
safety.
I am, because you're
Stop
not going to let
walking
me.
away.
Then let me go to my car and you can come with me.
You are not
then
free to
you
leave
can go to my
for
car
your
with
safety.
me. Then you can come to my car with me.
Ma'am, you stop
then you
walking
can come to
towards
my
me.
no.
Stop
Don't
walking
put,
towards me.
Do not put your
Stop
hands on me.
walking towards
me.
me.
Then you can put your car with me. Like I have a right to call my father.
Watch how the officer reacts when she starts trying to move back toward the vehicle. You can tell the patience is fading now, and the focus is starting to shift toward maintaining control of the scene.
That's fine. I'll go back to my
Stop
car.
walking away.
That's fine.
Stop walking
Don't touch me.
You're not allowed to walk
I'll go
away.
back to my car.
You're not allowed to walk away.
Then let me go
Stop
to
it.
my. Then let me walk
Stop
to my
it.
car.
Stop it.
Then let me walk to my car. Yeah, exactly.
We're
Then let
giving
me
you a
walk
chance.
Stop
to my
walking
car.
away.
So let me walk to my
You're not
car.
walking to your car.
So let me call
We're
my father.
waiting.
So let me call my father. No, because I'm
Stop
a
walking
citizen.
away.
Oh,
Stop
Ray, how
walking
you just let
away.
me go? I'm a citizen.
Stop
I have
walking
a-
away.
Pay attention to how quickly the officer's approach changes here. Once the behavior crosses a certain line, the goal stops being conversation and starts becoming control.
I have a right to call my mom or dad, and you guys are not letting me do that. So which is it? I go back to the car, one of you walk with me.
We're just waiting.
Or, no,
Ma'am,
I walk
you're
back
not
to
even-
my car.
All right.
Yeah, right in front of a car, right in front of a car. How you're supposed to arrest them as a dumbass. Did you go to training? And I have a right to call my mom.
By the end of the encounter, Caitlin was taken into custody and initially charged with harassment. As the situation continued escalating throughout the stop, additional charges were added, including disorderly conduct, obstruction, and resisting arrest. Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. If you want more real-world breakdowns like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next.